I will appreciate if you hit the like button for the algorithm. Thank you. Let me quickly show you the latest construction updates of the Oyingbo Train Station and Oyingbo Flyover Bridge here in Lagos, and everything you need to know about the Oyingbo Flyover Bridge and Oyingbo Train Station, which is one of the Lagos Rail Mass Transit projects and also one of the Redline rail station here in Lagos, Nigeria. I will appreciate if you give this video a like. Thank you. On this channel, I showcase latest construction updates here in Lagos, Nigeria. If you are interested in knowing more about construction here in Lagos and Nigeria at large, this is the best channel for you. I will appreciate if you subscribe to the channel to join the family. Thank you. The Oyingbo Train Station is one of the 37-kilometer rail projects for the Agbado Oyingbo Rail project here in Lagos. This Oyingbo Train Station is also one of the Redline station. As at the time of filming, this train station is still under construction. The Oyingbo Train Station, after completion, will make use of the Lagos-Ibadan rail track to connect to Agbado Station, which is also known as Lateef Jakande Station. When completed, passengers can board a train to other train stations from Oyingbo Station to Yaba Station, Mushin Station, Oshodi, Ikeja Station, Agege Station, Ikeja Station, and Lateef Jakande Station, which is popularly known as Agbado Station in Ogun State. The Oyingbo Station will serve as the starting point of the Redline stations. This Oyingbo Station is constructed by CCECC and also supervised by Lamata. The Oyingbo Train Station will also make use of the federal government through the Nigeria Railway Corporation (NRC) along the Lagos-Ibadan Standard Gauge railway infrastructure. The Lagos State government promised to deliver this project by first quarter of 2023. Let's take a look at the complete round Oyingbo Station in 1 minute before I proceed to the Oyingbo Flyover Bridge. Thank you. The Oyingbo Flyover Bridge is still under construction, and the flyover bridge is around 75% completion as at the time of filming. This Oyingbo Flyover Bridge will ease and decongest traffic seriously around Oyingbo, Ebutemeta, and Ido axis of Lagos. As you can see, this Oyingbo Flyover Bridge also have a pedestrian bridge attached to the flyover bridge. The Oyingbo Flyover Bridge will also allow free movement of the rail, and the Oyingbo Flyover Bridge will allow easy crossing from the Oyingbo Train Station to Oyingbo Bus Terminal. Talking of Oyingbo Bus Terminal, the Oyingbo Bus Terminal also have buses going to various parts of Lagos. The bus terminal too is optional for passenger, and passengers have the choice either to make use of the rail or the bus to their destination. The Oyingbo Bus Terminal is very close to the Oyingbo Train Station and the popular Oyingbo Market here in Lagos, Nigeria. If you like this video, do well to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like, and also leave a comment below as well. You can also check out my page for other related content like this. Do well to check out the next video displayed on screen. You can also check out the description of this video for my construction playlist. Thank you. I will see you in the next video. Peace out.